Hello YouTube, Tech with Alan here. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to renew the IP address. Alright, why would you want to do that? Sometimes your device is not communicating out to the internet and you just need to renew the IP address. There was a change, something got rebooted, your device is keeping the IP address that it had and it might be conflicted with something and you're not able to communicate. So this is how you would do it. Alright, we would open a command line interface. We're going to run it as an administrator. We're going to say yes to this. Alright, and here we're going to type ipconfig space / release. Alright, so ipconfig space / release. And then you're going to see here, this represents the network card. This little square here, this little monitor, you're gonna see how it's gonna go around once I hit enter. All right, let's go for it. All right, you see how it went around. I got disconnected from the internet. So if I want to ping Google server, DNS server, oops, 8.8.8.8, I will not be able to get a reply until I renew this. All right, so right now I don't have an IP address, so it means it got released. All right, so we're gonna go back here. We're gonna and this time instead of release, we're gonna type renew. All right, and we're gonna hit enter, and it's picking up an IP address again, and you see how this circle is gonna go square now. All right, it seems like it picked up an IP address. Oh, we're back online now. If I ping Google again, 8.8.8.8, I do get a reply. Okay, this is one way you could do it. The other way that you could do it is you could go from the settings here. You could go right click, hit run, and then type ncpa.cpl, Nancy Charlie Papa Alpha Charlie Papa Louis. All right, and ncpa.cpl. This is like a shortcut to get you to the network card, and it'll take you here. You could also go from the system settings and whatnot, but you have to click a lot. I like shortcuts. So this is the network card in question. And if we double click on it and we go to details, we see that I have an IP address, gateway, DNS. So if I wanted to do it from here, I would just right click on it, disable it. Just wait a second and right click on it again and enable the card. And that will renew the IP address. Now, if you do this and you're still not able to communicate, meaning there's nothing else playing at on the network, you might want to check and double click here and make sure that you do not have a static IP address. And if you do have a static IP address, then you have to find out if there's a conflict on the network for that IP. If something got changed, that the scope changed, and then you're not being able to communicate. But you go to properties here and you highlight, you double click on Internet Protocol version 4, double click it, and just make sure you're dynamic, unless somebody told you that you have to be static for some reason. Usually servers and devices that are static on the network do have a static IP address, but usually regular PCs are DHCP. All right, and then here there's nothing, everything is automatic, so that's good. All right, that's it for today. Quick and easy. All right, thank you. If you like the quick tutorial, please like and subscribe if you can. If not, we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.